Often assume growth equals gain, but in God's kingdom, growth equals pruning. Sometimes, God doesn't grow you by adding more to your life. He grows you by removing what no longer fits your next season. You sit there home like, why am I losing stuff and losing people when they told me I was gonna be blessed? You don't realize God is letting you lose it now, cause he's making room for what he get ready to send you later. Some of y'all ain't blessed because your subtraction comes by your preference. You want him to fix this, but don't touch that. You want peace and a fool. You can't have both. You want to splurge and be blessed. And God is like, no, you can't not waste your money and I give you overflow. So this what we gonna do. Since you won't remove what you need to remove, I'm gonna make them not like you. You think they left you because there was something wrong with you. God made them not like you because he knew you didn't have the strength to kick them out, so he blessed you by watching you watch them walk out.